Welcome to this lesson on mining pools. In this video, we'll explore how miners work together through collaborative mining, why pooling resources has become essential for modern Bitcoin mining, and how the reward distribution system works to ensure fair compensation for all participants. When mining Bitcoin individually, miners face an extremely difficult reality. The probability of finding a block on your own is incredibly low. With millions of miners competing globally using powerful hardware, a single miner working alone might wait years to find a block, or potentially never find one at all. This makes solo mining highly unpredictable and often unprofitable for most people. A mining pool is a group of cryptocurrency miners who combine their computational power to increase their probability of finding blocks and earning rewards. Instead of competing against each other, miners collaborate by pooling their resources together. This cooperative approach transforms mining from a lottery with rare jackpots into a more stable income stream with regular, smaller payments. There are 4 key benefits to joining a mining pool. First, you receive predictable income through regular small payouts instead of waiting for rare large rewards. Second, you experience lower variance, meaning reduced income volatility through shared success. Third, you get faster returns by earning rewards proportional to your contributed hash power. And fourth, you benefit from better odds, as the combined computational power significantly increases the rate at which blocks are discovered. Mining pools operate through a 4-step process. First, miners connect to the pool server and register their mining hardware. Second, the pool assigns work units to each miner based on their hash power. Third, miners submit proof of work, called shares, to the pool server. These shares demonstrate the computational work being performed. Finally, when the pool successfully finds a block, the rewards are distributed among all participants based on their contributions. Mining pools use 3 main methods to distribute rewards. Pay per share, or PPS, provides a fixed payment for each valid share submitted, regardless of whether the pool finds a block. Pay per last end shares, known as PPLNS, calculates rewards based on shares submitted during the last end shares before a block is discovered. And proportional, or PROP, splits rewards proportionally among all miners based on the total number of shares they contributed. Each method has different risk profiles and payout structures. Let's compare solo mining with pool mining. Solo mining has high variance with unpredictable income, but you keep the full reward if you find a block. However, it requires massive hash power to be viable. Pool mining, on the other hand, offers low variance with steady income. You share rewards with other miners and pay pool fees, typically 1 to 3%. But the key advantage is that pool mining is accessible to miners of all sizes, making it the preferred choice for most participants. Let's review the key points about mining pools. First, mining pools democratize Bitcoin mining by enabling smaller miners to participate profitably in the network. Second, pool fees typically range from 1 to 3% of earned rewards, which is the cost of stable income. Third, when choosing a pool, consider factors like pool size, fee structure, payout method, and overall reputation. Finally, pools actually increase network decentralization by lowering the barriers to entry, allowing more people to participate in securing the Bitcoin network.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.